Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. And looks like Bitcoin is rejecting a little bit from our golden pocket resistance plus the POC. I mean, it's not like a hard rejection. It's just like we're just ranging at the top. And we front run this golden pocket, by the way. And I think it's very natural because we've moved like up only for 3 weeks now. Even ES and Nasdaq also was just ranging and chopping yesterday. But I am still interested in how we're going to trade today at New York's Open. So I am still holding my longs, to be honest. I wish I could have taken profits here, but I'm still holding my longs. I do have a plan. Maybe I'm going to add, but I do have some TA for you today. Even on my prop firm accounts, this was already like 300, but it's now down to like 50. So I do have some nice TA for you today. Before we go into that though, please subscribe, boys. I want to see my subscriber go to 300 subscribers before the month ends. I think it's still possible. Like we got 11 more days. So we could hit subscribe, hit the like, and share to your friends that we post daily crypto TAs right here. We also have some beautiful links for weeks, Coinflare, Bybit, client funding, big discounts right now if you want to get funded up to $300,000 worth of capital. So, how do we trade this? First, I want to look at the weekly, the weekly candle, because this is going to be the very important um, close, I think, for Bitcoin. Hold on, let me just refresh this because my objects are not showing right here. So give me a second right here, boys. So, all right, there we go. Let me just group this first. Long shorts, fibs. Let me put them there. No, I need to put you here. And then let me close that. Okay. So we're clean. All right. Fresh looking chart. Okay, so my TA is we've moved up pretty high already. One time framing on the weekly. So this weekly candle, how we close this Sunday, is going to be very important. So if you use the fixed range profile, we haven't actually touched the POC above this range, right? So the question mark this week is on how we're going to close, all right? If we can close above here, do something like that, I would say Bitcoin would be really bullish, even if we like dip down on Monday next week, make a higher low. I would say it would go like that, and then go for all-time high. But I think if we have like a hard close, maybe we go higher tonight and then we just range, and then do something like that. I think we're just gonna fall down, slow grind next week. But it will also, you also have to factor in how Nasdaq and ES is going to trade because they're at the all-time highs right now, and you have to stick to buy models because look at that, highest closed yesterday, almost at 7,000 for S&P 500. So that is my question mark for for Bitcoin, like my thesis. So I really want to see how we do. Now it's going to be a little bit hard, like where would be the bounce, right? If we do come down, we close above here, we do come down because we don't have a high yet, you know? So like we don't know where to put our fibs. So let's say our high would be like right there. So you get like a deeper pullback. Plus, you can't deny the fact that on the monthly, you have like two relative equal lows. On the weekly, that's like an ugly low. So there might be a bearish scenario where we would just take down everything, come down, and finally go up. Just like a thesis. But locally, I am still holding my longs. So from if you are long from the level that I gave, hold on, let me just delete this. So if you are long, Hold on. Yeah, if you're long from here, I would say keep it open. Just move your stop loss to break even, because unless we can't close above here, like there's still a big chance that we could just die down and take all this low resistance liquidity below and clean them up. So just be careful. All right, because let's look at. Let me just delete this because these longs are already done. This one. So let me actually just see. Okay, so we do have a POC right there. Hmm. Okay. Come on. Show. Where's the POC? Okay. All right. So yeah, we have to we really have to just be patient, I think, because I mean it's not like Bitcoin's like dying right now. It's just struggling to get above the GP, which is very, very natural because we've moved weight like for 3 weeks already with slight pullbacks. Very strong move. And this is like a massive resistance, boys. Like that POC would be like your boss level, make it or break it for Bitcoin. So, you know, I would I'm still gonna hold my longs probably. And I would also look at altcoins because Solana's like ready to break out, to be honest. Also Ethereum. So if I also have like a thesis, if Bitcoin doesn't move this week or next week, it might be time for altcoins to have a mini alt season. So I'm going to chart some altcoins maybe tomorrow or this weekend so that we can have trades ready for next week. All right. So for today, not much. I think I would really say like this monthly, this would be really key right now. I want to see how we react from this monthly level. Let me check the anchored view up. Anchored view up there right now. What about here? Yeah, I would say it's still the same because we're still above the monthly and the weekly. So like you gotta see how we react from there. If we lose it or still hold it, lines up with the golden pocket and 786 too, which is crazy. So those are still my level for today. I wouldn't really want to bet big if we do come down because I think we might still just range today, to be honest, because there's no news, no red folder news, and we've moved pretty high already. See, we got nothing today, so just be chill for today. Maybe watch some alts because they're lining up for some big longs. To be honest, for breakout longs. All right, so that is it for this video. See you on the next one, boys. Please subscribe, by the way. Let's get this to 300 subscribers. Bye bye.